Hi riders! If you want serious reviews, the latest motorcycle news, action and sound videos of the hottest motorcycles, join us to Bikers Club.
Yamaha launched in Europe the 2022 model of the Tenere 700, and the Tenere 700 Rally Edition, which arrives with new colors and graphics, but keeping the same mechanics and design of the previous model. The Tenere 700 is the brand's medium displacement adventurer bike launched in 2019, with a design that resembles rally motorcycles. It was created to be a light adventurer motorcycle, with a medium-capacity engine and real off-road skill. According to the brand, the model was an immediate success, with around 20,000 units sold each year across Europe. For 2022, the Tenere 700 is available in Icon Blue, inspired by the brand's racing bikes, with blue body panels and blue wheel rims, and Midnight Black, all-black body with black wheel rims. The 2022 Tenere 700 Rally Edition will be available in the new Heritage White color, all-white body with Yamaha's famous red speed graphics. In addition, it has a red and black seat and gold wheel rims. Engine, chassis and technology. The 2022 Tenere 700 is equipped with the 689cc two-cylinder, CP2 EU5 4-stroke liquid-cooled, DOHC engine, capable of generating up to 54 kilowatts, 72.4 horsepower, of maximum power at 9,000 revolutions per minute and 68 Newton meters. 6.9 kgfm, of torque at 6,500 revolutions per minute. It works in conjunction with a 6-speed gearbox. It has a front inspired by rally bikes, with a headlamp with 4 LEDs, and a very vertical windshield. In addition, the tapered handlebar is tall and wide, the LCD instrument panel is also inspired by rally models, the tank and seat are narrow, and the suspensions has a long travel, with a 43mm upside-down forks. Finally, the Tenere 700 is equipped with spoked wheels, 21 inches at the front and 18 inches at the rear, and on/off-road adventure tires, measuring 90/90 to 21 at the front and 150/70 to 18 at the rear. In terms of safety, it has a double 282mm brake disc at the front, and features switchable ABS, which can be turned off while riding. Anyway, the 2022 Tenere 700 and Tenere 700 Rally Edition will arrive in stores in Europe from December 2021.